Hi guys, welcome to our first weekly recap. In this video, I will go over to the trade ideas we share with our team, trade ideas and analysis and setups shared by our smart money trader and supply and demand trader, myself. This was the first trade idea he shared this week. It was a sell signal on CHF JPY. As you can see, all TPs were achieved. 122 pips with 3.8 risk reward ratio. Let me show you. Let me show you the chart so you can see where the signal is. All take profits were hit. Give me just 1 second. Is exactly there. That's the sell signal our smart money trader shared with us this week. As you can see, it went directly to our TP level. Regarding supply and demand trading ideas, this week was pretty active, let's say, and a couple of things happened, like non-fill orders. So let me go over to the ideas I share with the team this week. I share some buy signals on gold, buy signals on Aussie dollar, buy signals on dollar CAD, but unfortunately they were not filled. They didn't fill my order by a few pips. I'll show you those in a few seconds. But this was the trade idea shared by our smart money trader. It was a slow week for him. So let's see how this coming week goes. Let me show you my ideas now. This is one of the first trade ideas I shared. It was a buy signal on dollar CAD. See, we had some equal highs up there, so we know that there was liquidity above this resistance zone. A supply level was basically consumed here, and this trend line got broken. A new high, the last high was removed, so we had a very beautiful retracement. And here is where my buy signal was sent. This is the entry level. A few pips stop loss, and we were looking for almost 1 to 5 risk reward ratio, but unfortunately this is what happened. I'll be using the bar replay mode. So this is what happened. The price almost hit my zone, almost hit my level, and then boom, it went all the way up. It actually paid a little bit more than what I was expecting, because it broke the equal highs that were up there. It broke it, and as you can see, it rallied, but didn't fill my order. So this phenomenon happened this week to me a lot. It happened a lot because I share more signals. Some of them were close to the entry. Others didn't get any close, because I always wait for confirmation, and I'm a limit. I always place limit orders. So this was like this is what happened to me this week many times. There are weeks where all the signals are filled, and that's when we have huge winners, but that was not the case this week. So that was the first one. Let me share another one I share with the team real quick. This was another trade idea I share. Yeah, the same thing happened. We had some equal lows right here, so that's where I was targeting. There was a 4-hour supply level, and as you can see here in the 5-minute time frame, there was a structure change right here, change of character. So I always try to place my limit entries, my orders right at the origin of the move. So this was the origin of the move. This is what caused this change of character. That's where I place my entry. So the market will sometimes hit my level, sometimes will not feel it. So this week, that was the case. But we still managed to at least end up the week in a break even. So market didn't retrace, didn't make the retracement, as you can see. Market just didn't make the retracement. This is the bar replay mode again. See the market, I mean, it did the retracement. And when we went to lower time frames, that's where the market started to drop again. So my limit order was not filled. So I recommended to, you know, delete this order. So that was basically one of the other trade ideas I share. I had a couple more and that I will share right now. But yeah, this is what happened this week. So there was another one. This is one of this is another one on gold. There was a buy limit order. Again, there was a resistance level, so based on liquidity, there will always be stop losses above a resistance level. Also, stop orders, limit orders, and price created this strong departure, which broke my previous structure. Again, I was expecting the price to retrace to the level, and then boom, going up from this demand level in the 30-minute time frame. But the market started to build some liquidity around here. Let me show you that. As you can see here, the market started to build some liquidity around this support level, which made me think that the price could have made a stop on entry right there. But no, the support level was respected, and that's the level where the price rally all the way up. And see, it actually, I was looking for 1.8 risk reward ratio, but it went almost 1.16, almost 1.17 risk reward ratio. But yeah, once again, this is actually not normal that the entry signals do not fill my order. This is not normal. It might happen once in a while, but yeah, this week was pretty weird. But in terms of direction, in terms of expected movements, they move as expected, but didn't fill the order, unfortunately. So I had a loss on dollar yen, and there was a break even on Aussie dollar following the same strategy, and also break even on dollar franc, dollar Swiss. Let me show you that. It was right here, dollar franc. I guess it yes, this was the other one. There was a order block right here, as you can see in the 4 hour, which broke the structure, and I was waiting for the price to fill all these inefficiencies. Then in the 1 hour time frame, let me go to the 1 hour time frame, because it was something here. When I go to the 15-minute time frame, let's see. There it is. This is the structure that was broken. And I go to the 5-minute time frame, and I send the signal. I use the 15-minute order block. Because there were some non-fill orders, so I thought this time I'm not gonna miss this one. But the price, the price this time did fill my order right at the 5-minute order block right there. So when the market retrace, boom, it went all the way up. So if you're following the strategy inside the Discord, if you are paying attention and doing back test, and you're following the strategy as is instructed in the mini course video, then you would have hit a very beautiful 0.87 risk reward ratio. Even though I was expecting the price to, you know, take out this equal highs, almost this equal highs right here. The price just hit the supply zone and then reverse. So I ended up in break even. And I just closed some partials around here. But yeah, it was more a break even trade. And that signal was sent here. Let me show you. It was sent right here. See? I used the 15-minute order block, but this time the price did fill the 5-minute order block. And well, we ended up having a 1.5 R. It's very decent for an intraday trade. But yeah, keep in mind the trades that were not filled. Then what else? What else? Oh, this was a loss. I had a loss on dollar yen. Same thing. Same thing. It was the same strategy. It was actually the same pattern, the same setup as dollar Swiss. The price is in a 4-hour order block, but then when it retraced, this level didn't hold and my stop loss got hit. So I basically ended up in a break-even week. And then I had another break-even right here. Oh, check. This is another one. This is another one that was not filled. The price was in a 4-hour order block. 4-hour order block. And as you can see, we had some inefficiencies there that were not filled by that time. And price was building liquidity around this trend line. So price broke structure and price did the retracement. And I'll show you the retracement. But it rallied from the trend line, not the order block. So I was trying to place or execute the order right at the order block, and this was going to be a stop hunt entry, but the price didn't grab the liquidity below this trend line. So basically this ended up like this. As you can see, the entry was right here, but the price rallied from this trend line, and it touched the trend line four times. As you can see, my order block was never mitigated. So unfortunately, that was another non-fill entry, but see how it paid. It actually paid even more. So I don't know what happened this week. Market in the end does what it does. Does what it wants. But we just need to follow the strategy. We just need to follow the rules and stick to the plan, and more opportunities will come. That's for sure. So that's basically the weekly recap, guys. Some trade ideas we share. This week I was a little bit inactive because I got sick again. I got COVID, but I'm feeling much better now. So if you would like to join, I'll drop the link in the description. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, because on Mondays we will be sharing also weekly forecast. So if you would like to see our weekly forecast and follow those trade ideas also, you are more than welcome. You just need to subscribe and active the notification bell so you don't miss out. And if you would like to have a chat with us, you can join our Discord server too. I'll drop the link also in the description. And yeah, I'll see you on Monday, guys. Have a nice weekend. Bye bye.